back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you more daily work from home job leads. Today we have the grocery delivery company Instacart. They have 3 different positions open that don't require you to actually be out grocery shopping or doing any kind of delivery. They are sit at a computer, work on the phone type of stay at home, work from home jobs. Because I have 3 different positions from them to share today, some of these do hire both in the United States and in Canada, and I know at least one of them offers a flexible schedule, so we will not waste any time. We will just dive on in. Just know the links to everything are in the description box below if you want to get those applications in. But first up, Instacart is hiring a billing associate. Now this is on a contract position, and the contract can be 6 or more months. Now, this one is hiring both in the US and Canada, but they're looking for someone who enjoys working with large data sets and can be successful in both day-to-day processing and ad hoc items. They want someone to work with large data sets to extrapolate the information that help creates the storylines for the various stakeholders. You'll generate and process through business-to-business customer invoices. You'll review new and existing contracts and determine any invoicing needs. You'll respond to the business-to-business customers regarding their billing inquiries, disputes, and anything like that. They do want someone who is willing to learn Salesforce, Oracle, Tableau, G Suite, and Zendesk. They are looking for someone who has 3 years experience in billing, someone who has 1 to 2 years experience with the AAS billing systems such as Oracle, someone who knows AR and billing, someone who can be a strong user of Excel and Google Sheets, someone who is detail-oriented and excellent written and verbal communication skills. Now, if billing is not your thing, they are also hiring a care shopper support advocate. Now, their care team is focused on supporting their customers, shoppers, retailers, and internal team members through direct support and scalable solutions. They're looking for someone to build an outstanding personalized service experience for the users, someone to provide positive, fast, and complete support resolutions via various access channels. You'll be also providing support to the shoppers that are out there doing the shopping. You'll identify common trends and support interactions. You'll communicate and exercise good judgment when you are interacting with the shoppers, so you need to have excellent attention to detail to be able to proactively solve the customer's problem. Now, this position does offer flexible scheduling. They want someone willing to work non-traditional hours and weekends, so that's great if you're trying to fit this in with another job. Someone who is computer proficient and can type at least 40 words per minute, someone who can tolerate stress very well and has a good time management skills, someone who has strong writing skills, strong problem-solving skills, and the ability to work in a fast-paced environment. Now, unfortunately, none of these positions list pay. That will have to be discussed at the time of the interview. But they are also, last but not least, hiring a customer success associate for their retail division. The customer success associate will assist bringing their pricing and promotion capabilities to their customers. You'll forego relationships with key customer power users and program managers, playing an integral role in building those partnerships. So they are looking for someone who likes to take a hand-on approach to customers and developing relationships with customers, someone who can be organized and execute independently, managing multiple work streams, have high attention to detail, be an independent thinker, and someone who can think practically and solve problems. Now, they do want someone who has 1 to 3 years of work experience in an analyst or associate role. And for this position, they are looking for someone who has a bachelor degree. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.